Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at bpprime. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. bpprime is a no-dealing desk broker that was founded in 2013 and is based in London. This broker is part of Black Pearl Securities, which is a registered company that is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Black Pearl Securities offers a wide range of financial planning and wealth management services internationally. bpprime was launched so that more people could be given access to global exchange markets and to enable the buying and selling of currencies, indices, and commodities. As a bpprime client, you can choose from two types of live trading accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and these accounts are designed for professional traders. You will also have access to in-depth market analytics, news updates, and 24-hour customer support. bpprime offers institutional-grade spreads, commission-free trading, and 24-hour support. If you are looking for a wider range of financial services such as tax consultation, wealth management, and insurance, we recommend visiting the Black Pearl Securities website. bpprime offers a variety of CFD forex pairs, indices, and commodities. There are dozens of tradable currencies and popular indices, including indexes such as the DAX, S&P, Dow Jones, and the Financial Times Stock Exchange. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with bpprime, hover your cursor over the Products tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 30 when trading with bpprime. However, higher leverage may be available to professional clients. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you'll be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. If you require any assistance, you can reach the bpprime customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, and you will find direct contact details on the contact page. If you require assistance with managing your account, using the platform, or anything else, you can contact the customer support team at any time. bpprime provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar. Live spreads can be found on the homepage, and direct links to legal documentation, policies, and terms and conditions are located at the bottom of the homepage. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, and any other resources, you can choose an option from the Education tab. We recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you decide to join this broker. There are two types of accounts that you can open with bpprime. Both accounts require high activation deposits and are designed for professional traders only. The Pro account is commission-free and uses straight-through processing execution. This account offers spreads from 0.6 pips, and a minimum deposit of $5,000 is required to open a Pro account. The Prime account is suitable for high-volume traders and offers scaling commission fees. The spreads on this account start from as low as 0.1 pips, and at least $10,000 must be deposited to open this type of account. Micro lots are available on these accounts, and direct market execution is used to ensure low latency and relatively predictable prices. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on a demo account first until you have a solid understanding of trading, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. However, neither of these accounts are beginner-friendly, so we would advise against opening a live account if you are an inexperienced trader. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions BP Prime offers, hover your cursor over the Trading tab and head over to the Account Types page. As a BP Prime client, you can use MetaTrader 4. This platform was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world today. It offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can use to monitor and analyze the markets in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. MetaTrader 4 can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You will be able to use these platforms on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4, click on the Trading tab and head over to the MetaTrader 4 page for a full list of features and direct download links. Creating an account with BP Prime may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the BP Prime homepage, and then click on the Open an Account button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified and approved, you can log into the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. But after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features. A minimum deposit of $5,000 is required to open an account with BP Prime, depending on the account you choose, and your account can be funded using US dollars, euros, or pounds. After your account has been verified, set up, and approved, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with BP Prime. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. BP Prime provides market insights and trading tips, so we recommend bookmarking this page and checking it often to learn new trading techniques and to see what's driving the markets. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you are not using any real money. Overall, BP Prime offers competitive trading conditions for professional traders and institutional clients. As a client, you will have access to a great selection of articles and trading insights. And you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. BP Prime has been around for many years and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. However, if you are interested, be sure to open your BP Prime account today to get access to competitive trading conditions, a great selection of educational articles, a wide range of instruments, and so much more with BP Prime. And that is our overview of BP Prime. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.